hey there, welcome to Castle of Legends. I thought I'd show you guys an unboxing of my gscart SW. Basically, it's an 8-port dual output Scart switch, made for retro gaming. I've been working on my my gaming setup for quite some time, and this I've actually had just sitting in the box, and I thought I'd take a moment to open it up and just show you guys what it looks like when if you do actually order one of these from Super G. You could go to Retro RGB, the website, for just some more background information on it, and some links to some other videos as well, but or just some instructions on how to get it going. Basically, it's an 8. And it has 8 ports on it, like for 8 inputs for Scart, and then 2 outputs as well. So you can have up to 8 consoles connected via Scart. I've only got a handful myself, so for now this is just going to be leaving some room for expansion over time. But it's got automatic switching, so it's an automatic switcher as well, which I liked. And it's got an integrated sync stripper as well. I mean, these are some things I'm still learning myself, but I do have some great displays to that will work with this, and I just wanted to have a clean setup once I'm get to a point where I'm pretty satisfied with it. So as you can see, it comes very well packaged. It's just a big Ziploc bag, and inside all the peanut shells that came in the box. This thing is one sexy looking piece of hardware, so I really like the build quality of it. It looks pretty top notch. The builder of this actually, I think when I ordered it last year, there was a bit of a backlog and had some issues. I don't know, maybe not an issue, just a delay, but I just said, you know what, I'm going to keep my order. I'm not in a super rush, and yeah, I just waited for it. So waited so long I didn't even have a chance to actually open it up until now. So so it wasn't really a big deal. But yeah, I mean, it's it's like high quality acrylic on the outside. The materials look really fantastic, and you get power adapters included to help you if you're in different countries. And I look forward to setting this up and having a chance to review it. So thanks for stopping by.